Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for joining me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this glam floral lantern. I will link up above the rustic version of this if you want to go ahead and check it out. But for now, let's get on to the video. You'll be needing 2 of these floral rings. I already spray painted them in silver or metallic silver to save time. Also, I have this chain from a Dollar Tree hanging basket. I also painted silver. And I have 3 of these metal skewers. They come in a pack of 6, I believe. I also have some of this bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. And I have a bunch of these white flowers that I'm recycling from my 4th of July glam centerpiece that I'm going to be using. And to save time, I also already cut out this circle from a piece of foam board. What I'm doing here is just cutting a thick strip of the bling wrap. You guys can use it as thick as you want, or if you want to do just 1 strand or 2, but I'm going to be using, I believe it's 9 strands of the bling wrap, and all I'm going to do is hot glue the end of it and then wrap it around the floral ring. I tried to wrap it as close as possible, but it was giving me issues, so I did leave a gap in between, and you'll see what I mean. So taking the second floral ring, I just grabbed 1 strand of the bling wrap, and it looks like it's probably 5 rows, and I'm just going to go ahead and glue it all around the edge, so just to give it a different look. Then I'm going to put some hot glue around the edges of the foam board, and I'm going to go ahead and glue it down on the ring. And as you can see, it's not going to be like perfectly aligned because of the bling wrap, so I just put a little more glue around the edges. And then I took 1 row of the bling wrap and went ahead and glued it around that rough edge. You can't really see it, but I wanted to do it just in case. The next step was to put the skewers in there, and even though they look like they're going in straight, they are kind of lopsided, so I kind of had to mess with it for a little bit, just like I did in my previous lantern. So you guys will probably have to mess with this till you get it nice and straight. For this step, all I did was take off all my rosebuds from the stems and then separated the green leaves from the roses. And I just went ahead and pressed the leaves and the roses into the foam. And I mean, obviously I'm just doing it in a way where it looks kind of even. You can also put hot glue on the ends of the leaves and the roses. That way they stick really well into the foam, but I'm just gonna do it like that. There are some spots where I can't get them in there because of the bling wrap, so I did have to hot glue on the side and then press it down, and you'll see what I mean. I totally forgot I was gonna do this part, so try to do it before you put the roses to make it easier, but even then it's not that hard. So I just took another strip of that bling wrap and then glued it around the skewer just to make it look a little prettier and glammier. Is that a word? After that, I went ahead and put one of the leaves and a couple of roses right on the side of the skewer. You could do it all the way around, but I figured I'm just going to do it on the sides of the skewers just for looks. And the final step is to attach the chain and hang it up, and you're all set. You guys can go ahead and finish it off with an LED candle or even some of the LED string lights, but I'll show you how it looks with my DIY glam candle holder. But for now, you guys, this is it, the final result. I hope you guys really love how this looks. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a big thumbs up. It'll really help me out so I can continue doing this. If you have any ideas of any other glam and rustic or farmhouse DIYs that I can do, be sure to let me know. Other than that, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.